We start with football as National Senior Football head coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore has resigned after months of waiting on the Jamaica Football Federation to give him an improved contract. Keon Rayner reports.
It's a saga that has been dragged out since the Jamaica Football Federation revealed in October last year that 1998 World Cup star Theodore Tapper Whitmore had been offered a 2-year contract. But with Whitmore not accepting the terms of the contract due to the low pay package, the talks between him and the JFF has been going on without a resolution. 2 months ago, JFF President Michael Ricketts said he was given a month by Whitmore to sort out his contract, while 2 weeks ago, Whitmore revealed he was asked by the President to give him another month. But TVJ sports sources revealed on Friday that the wait is over, as Whitmore has decided enough is enough and has sent in his resignation. Sources at the JFF who spoke on condition of not being named confirmed with TVJ Sports on Friday that Whitmore had indeed sent in his resignation, but the President denied receiving one.
The first I'm hearing that.
The first you're hearing this?
Yeah. When was that?
We're hearing that this would have taken place in the last 24 to 48 hours.
Well, at first I'm hearing that.
Have you been in contact with Coach Whitmore, any at all? What's the latest with the contractual negotiations?
Discussed that with Coach Whitmore. He and I were supposed to have had a meeting on Thursday. At the same time, I was trying to get the Antiguans to go to court. We had a 2 o'clock meeting. I left the office at 20 to 3. On my way down to the narcotics department, I got a call from him to say that he was at the late. So I told him that I was on my way down there. And we spoke the following day and to reschedule a meeting. I really don't know about that.
Calls to Coach Whitmore's phone went unanswered up to sports time. According to our sources, Whitmore's resignation had to do with much more than just his salary. Whitmore, who was in his 4th stint at the helm, was reportedly earning US $3,000 per month, a far cry from the US $45,000 that was being paid to the previous coach, Winfried Schäfer of Germany. Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Keon Rayner.